This is the dashboard of the app. Here you can review materials invoiced, open repair orders, graphical analysis of material checkouts, material categories, and repair orders closed, as well as the cost of your active ROs. So we make a distinction between realized cost and billable amount. That's wholesale versus list plus markup. And in the repair orders tab, you can create new repair orders as vehicles come into the shop. This is our materials inventory tab. This is where you can input all of your part numbers. It doesn't matter who the manufacturer is, who the supplier is, whether it's body, paint, or hardware. You could put it into this digital rendition of your inventory. Right here I'm scrolling through the different product types. In the paint and masking section, I have some standard materials. I can edit the information behind any material. And here you can see I've allotted 40 feet standard for every RO. If I wanted to add materials, I could click on a manufacturer icon, enter a part number, and pull it out of the EagleMMS database. Again, this is list pricing. If I wanted to manually enter something that's not in the database, I'd select a category, a billing type, and then I'd fill out the information manually. This is our Operation Kits tab. This is an open field where you can create kits and sort materials out of your inventory into those kits. So here I have a bumper repair kit. I have my flexible filler, my plastic repair material, various DA papers, etc. I could remove any of these materials, I could add new materials, and I can also modify the quantity of that material that I wish. So here I've added 400 grit blocking paper, and when I update that kit, it's ready for use as configured at any point in the future. I can also create new kits. I simply define an operation and define what materials go into that kit. This is our calculator tab. Here you can select open repair orders, select the body style and the paint code of the vehicle, and start making selections directly to a diagram of what zones were refinished and what level of refinish was needed, as well as a structural view where you can make other refinish zone selections there. And this will automatically allot your sealer, base, clear, scuffing grits, masking tapes, masking papers. You can also select any of the op kits that you had available in the previous tab that you'd created, and any hardware. Once you apply the calculator, it'll develop a total and give you an itemized invoice of all of your part numbers necessary for that repair, line by line, piece by piece. If you would like more information, or would like to start making money on materials in your shop, please reach out to us at www.eaglemms.com.